What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Sunny 2.0 Tech. And my name is Sunny, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get more content for your TV without any subscription, and there's no sign up required. You could sign up if you want. You can unlock some more content, but there's no sign up required here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free movie content, live TV, and also TV shows as well with Plex, which is a free application you can get in your Firestick, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first step is, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and family so everyone could take advantage of the application. So first thing we're going to do is hit the home button. Once you're here, you're going to slide to the left. You're going to find the magnifying glass, which says find. From there, you're going to hit down and then hit the OK button. And once you're here, just start typing in Plex Media Player. Usually when you get the first couple of letters in, you'll see it right over here. Plex, let's go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna see right there, stream free movies, TV shows, plus over 600 channels for live TV. We're gonna hit OK. Give it a second. You'll see the download button. It's already downloading. Sometimes it'll download automatically. Sometimes you may have to hit get. So once you do that, wait, give it a few seconds, 30 seconds, maybe a little bit more depending on your internet, and then it's going to be installing. Once it's done installing, we'll open up quickly just to show you guys the user interface on it. I'm not going to click on any content. It might be blurred out because copyright reasons. There we go. The application is opening up for the first time, so just give it a few seconds there. And then right over here, it says you can sign up for free, or you can simply skip sign up. If you are already signed up, you can also hit sign in. We're going to go ahead and hit skip sign up. Hit OK there. And then right away, you'll see it on top. You got the TV guide. And let's go to the left. You're going to search. You can search things. You can add things to your playlist. You can go to live TV. You can go to movies and TV shows. And you can also rent content. If you want to rent something, you can rent content. Plus, if you have a library of your own, you can go ahead and connect your own media server on this as well if you wanted to. It's really up to you. And that's basically it. I'm not really going to go into all the content it has because it has a lot. You guys explore. If you use it, leave a comment below how you like it. If you haven't used it, try it out. Come back and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And other than that, guys, thank you for coming in for this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I always do get back to you. It might be a little delayed sometimes if I'm working at stuff, but I will get back to you. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.